welcome. Please come, have a seat.
Niharika,
Yes?
where's Tina?
Dad, Tina went to her house. Actually, some of her friends came over, so she went.
I really feel sad for her. Arjun's actions have hurt Tina the most.
Right.
If she spends a few days with her friends, then maybe she'll feel better.
Yes.
Namaste, Mr. Agarwal. Namaste, Mrs. Agarwal.
Mrs. Mukherjee, namaste. Hi, dear. May God bless you. Namaste, Mr. Mukherjee.
Yes, it's okay.
How are you all? We're good. Please wait, I'll call Diya. Okay.
Niharika, go and greet them. They are older than you.
Fine, I'm going.
No. It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's fine, dear.
Mom. How are you?
Fine.
Dad? Mom, please come.
Diya, here you go. Wish you the best for your first prayer after marriage.
Thank you, Mom.
These are some gifts from our side for all of you. I humbly hope that you all will like it.
Why did you have to bring these gifts? I mean, you already spent a lot the last time you came.
Niharika, let's not talk about the other day. I know that everyone here would like the gifts that my parents got. Mom, can I open the gifts?
Yes.
Well, this is vermilion and dye, and these dresses are for 3 of you. This is for the grandma, and this sweet is for all of you. We Bengalis consider it auspicious giving gifts at the prayer.
Niharika, you like the gifts, didn't you?
Yeah, they're nice.
Of course they're nice. They are different too. Mrs. Mukherjee, you have a great choice. Right, Mom? And why are you all standing? Uncle, Auntie, please make yourself comfortable. I'll arrange for refreshments. Oh, no, dear. Please don't bother. But...
No, we just came here to give these gifts. We shall take your leave now, dear.
Why would you leave? You cannot leave before having lunch.
No, dear. We just had breakfast.
No, I'm like your son. You won't listen to me. I insist. This is Diya's house, and no, I'm like your son. You won't listen to me. He won't talk to his father nicely. But just look how sweetly he's talking to his father-in-law.
Hey, Mr. Agarwal.
Yeah, well, let him go. He's a busy man. He doesn't have time for himself, so how will he make time for us? How's that possible?
Diya, could you take me to your room, please?
Yes, Mom. Come. Please come. Please come.
Mrs. Agarwal, you have a very big heart. Dia told me on the phone. You are having the first grand prayer after the marriage with lot of enthusiasm. By accepting her in your family, you did a huge favor to us. Otherwise, their wedding took place under such circumstances that I feared things would never get normal. Thank you very, very much for accepting Dia, Mrs. Agarwal.
Arjun insisted that we stay for lunch. Dear, you must make him understand that this doesn't look good. We just came here to give gifts, not to eat. What would others and Mrs. Agarwal think about us?
What would they think, Mom? Arjun did the right thing. And anyway, I will never get in middle of Arjun and you. So whatever you have to say it to Arjun.
Really? You have started taking Arjun's side. By the way, you did a good thing by giving us an idea in time. We weren't able to think of any good gift.
I knew it. It's not possible to not like a traditional gift.
All right, Dia. Mrs. Agarwal must have given you a lot of work for the prayer, right? It's your first prayer here.
Yes, Mom. Mom has given me a lot of work to do. And you know what, Mom? I'm very happy. Very happy. Mom, you know that how much I love to make preparations for the prayer. It reminded me of the old days from Jamshedpur.
The person who should have been here at this prayer is absent.
Yes, Grandma. Earlier we would only miss Arjun. But today, even Dia isn't present here. This prayer feels incomplete.
Oh Lord, the stand will break at any moment.
Hey! What are you doing here? You have been told.
Mom, this.
Today, you prevented a bad omen. Had you not seen the broken stand, the goddess's idol would have been broken into pieces.
But how did this happen?
Madhuri, everything happens for a reason. What happened today was probably destined to happen. Or else, Diya and Arjun wouldn't have participated in the prayer. Think about it. Had this not happened, how would have Arjun helped Diya like this? He always tries to avoid every prayer. And Diya, how would she have seen the broken stand? She was told to stay away from this prayer. Still, no one except her saw the broken stand.
Arjun,
Will you still not allow Diya to participate in the prayer?
Stop, Diya. The prayer. Leave after the prayer concludes.
oh Lord, thank you for understanding for what I wanted. Even if it was for a while, but Arjun participated in the prayer. I know everything will be fine with time. Arjun, why are you sitting here quietly? Arjun, I know you are angry, but I hid this from you so that you don't create a scene in front of the family. You've already fought with your family for me. Okay, Arjun, I promise you, I will never hide anything from you. I promise. Okay?
Hold your ears.
What?
Yeah. Hold your ears and do sit-ups.
Sit-ups? But
I said do it.
why, Arjun?
Why? Because you're stupid. What will I tell my family when you don't know the importance of self-respect? They said that there was a flaw in your horoscope and that will affect me, and they believe them. Now they told you not to participate in the prayer, and you agreed. Can't you take a stand for yourself? Are you scared?
Arjun, I was...
Sit-ups.
Huh? Arjun...
100 times.
But Arjun...
Start.
Arjun, now Mom has allowed me to participate in the prayer. So, now don't fight with them.
You stop once again.
Huh?
Don't stop until you do 100 sit-ups.
What? 100 sit-ups? But Arjun...
150. Now do 150 sit-ups. If you talk any more, the number will increase.
Yes, Arjun, I'm doing.
Now from the next time, don't hide anything from me, or else I'll make you do sit-ups again. You will get punished. And it'll be a workout for you as well.
Huh?
Today is Saptami. The next 4 days, until Dashehra, the Agarwal mansion will be full of people. There will be no restrictions to enter the house. Take advantage of the situation. Enter the Agarwal mansion and render Diya in a condition that she's unable to come here.
Diya, why are you standing there? Come here.
Yes, Mom.
Deepika, blow the conch. The prayer is going on. Blow the conch.
Yes, Mom. Mom, I have been trying to do this for years, but I never succeeded. I'll try again today.
I'm telling you, Deepika can't do it. Deepika, let it be. Give it to me. I'll try. I'll try to do it. Give it to me, huh? Mom, I think there is some problem with the conch.
It's okay. Let it be. Give the conch to Diya. Diya, would you want to try it once?
Yes, Grandma.
Sir, we have arrived here. When the work is done, we will call you.
Arjun. Arjun Agarwal. My best friend. Now let me see how your wife participates in the camp. I got you thrown out of the world of badminton. In the same way, I'll throw your wife out.
Tina, honey, today a huge scene got created at the prayer. The idol stand broke all of a sudden, and the idol for the prayer would have fallen. That's it. Diya took advantage of the situation and landed there. And along with her, even Arjun reached there. Then everyone got impressed. And mother got impressed and let her participate in the prayer. And Deepika? She could not blow the conch, but Diya did it. I mean, that is not a big deal. But everyone got impressed. Had I been perfectly fine, I would have blown the conch. But I was really hurt to see Diya in the prayer. Honey, I'll call you back. Hey, what happened, Kush?
I'm feeling too bad. I can't face anyone.
Honey, tell me. I'm here. Tell me what happened, huh?
Your plan has failed. Diya will be called a good daughter-in-law and you will become less important for the family because my wife can't blow the conch.
Kush, don't you try to act smart. Understand?
Why? Are you feeling bad? Even I am feeling bad for you. Your blood must be boiling to see Diya in the prayer, right? Tell me. Oh my wife looks depressed. Look at you. Wait, I'll put some lotion.
Kush!
Yes?
Please don't irritate me. Did you get this? I'm already quite upset.
My dear, why are you irritated?
Leave me.
Why are you so angry? Call someone and gossip. You were doing it. It will make you feel better. You will feel nice. Do it. Well, who were you talking to on the phone? Tell me, baby. Who were you sharing your sad feelings with? Who was it? Tell me. Come on.
Does it concern you? I can also have some personal things to say. You're my husband, but that doesn't mean that I have to tell you everything. And besides, Kush, I'm not like what you think of me, huh? Did you think I was gossiping with my aunt? No. I was actually trying to save your family's reputation, huh? Besides, Aunt asked me from where we have brought that girl into our house. Huh? That girl is unlucky for our family. Since she has come here, something weird has been happening in this house. Don't you see?
Nothing is weird. Everything is great. Had that not been the case, the idol for the prayer would have been fallen. Diya wouldn't have saved it. Even you were there, right? You could have saved the idol. Why didn't you?
Kush, leave me. Kush! Kush! I don't know what spell Diya has casted on Kush. He's my husband. He's my husband and he's not taking my side. He's supporting Diya. I won't spare you, Kush. I'll teach you a lesson. That's a promise to you from my